Okay, here is Mr. Fernandez tutorial number 2. I'm recording now the full screen, which you actually are not going to do. You're going to record only certain areas of the screen. But I'm going to show you what you have to do in order to animate your points. So here you have your main container, and then you have overlays and your points. Once you have each one of your points, it's pretty simple. The only thing that you have to do is activate QuickTime first. Okay, and file, new screen recording, which I'm recording right now. I cannot do it again. And follow the activation of QuickTime with the other video that I sent to you. Once you're recording, you start. And you're not going to start probably with point number 1, Sicily or Sardinia. Organize your points in the way that you're going to talk. That's very important. If you want Sardinia first, well, you move Sardinia first. If you want to talk about Rome first, put Rome first. The same order that you have here on the left is the same order that you should have in your notes. So when you go to Rome, you have your notes about Rome ready. Then Sardinia, Sicily, Corsica, and Malta. So remember, the order that you have here should be the same order that you took your notes in your journal to read the factual information about these points. Other interesting thing that you can do, it will be cool if you can start Google Earth, the project, with the Earth and planet like that, instead of starting here, isn't it? You don't want to start like that. And it's pretty simple. How can you can do it? You just go outside, put the planet there, you can center, and now look at this trick. Where the only thing that I'm going to do is use a point, and then I'm not going to say I want to see the label. No, I don't want to see the label. 0. I don't want to see the icon. 0. There it goes. The only thing that I want to do view is a snapshot here, current view. That's it. This is going to be my space view. Space view 1. There you go. And then I'm going to put it first. Why? Because probably if I'm here, I'm going to start with my points. Nothing is activated. And then I'm going to click and say, okay, this is my project. And then I double click there. And then I go exactly to space view number 1. And then you start. It says, let me take you first to Rome. And then you double click and you're recording. And then you're going to go directly to the point of Rome. And then when you click, you can activate it and Rome will appear there. When you say, I'm going to go to Sardinia, you can deactivate Rome and prepare Sardinia. And then read the important information. Then my next point will be Sicily. And then you can activate Sicily there. And then keep going on and reading the important information. Now remember that you only recording this area here, isn't it? Only this area here. You don't want to record this. This needs to be out of the recording. You finish, you go up, click your button, and you should be all set.